thing that came to your mind when you saw this question is that laws of indices will not work. Now let me prove you wrong. We write solution. We have 10 raised to power y times 5 raised to power 2y minus 2 times 4 raised to power y minus 1 equal to 1. Now, do you know of a rule in indices that say if we have, let's say, a raised to power y multiplying b raised to power y, that since the raised to powers are the same, we simply multiply the bases and we'll have ab all raised to power y. Do you know that? Now let's apply it in 10 here. Do you know that 10 can be written as 2 raised to power y times 5 raised to power y? Okay, now we have times 5 raised to power 2y. Let's separate this now. It will be times 5 raised to power minus 2. I hope you understand this. Times 4 raised to power y, or 4. Let's write 4 in place of 2 raised to power 2. So this will be 2 raised to power 2y times 2 raised to power 2. Now let me clear this off. 4 raised to power y minus 1 will give you 2 raised to power 2 bracket y minus 1. Now multiplying this, we have 2 raised to power 2y minus 2, which is what we did here. Sorry. So this will be minus 2. Now let's bring together the bases that are 2 and then this. Okay, so we have 2 raised to power y times 2 raised to power 2y times 2 raised to power negative 2, then times 5 raised to power y times 5 raised to power 2y times 5 raised to power minus 2, and equate it to 1. Now let's add this since we have the same basis. Okay, so we'll have 2 raised to power y plus 2y minus 2, because we are adding, sorry, let me write it properly, plus minus 2. Okay, plus times minus is minus, so that's why I still wrote minus 2 times 5 raised to power y plus 2y minus 2. Okay, so y plus 2y is 3y, the same thing here, equals to 1. So we have 2 raised to power 3y minus 2 times 5 raised to power 3y minus 2 equal to 1. Remember the law we used at the beginning. If you observe, we have the same raised to powers. So this is 2 times 5 raised to power 3y minus 2 equal to 1. Now remember that 1 can also be written as 10 raised to power 0. Okay, that is after we do this, 2 times 5 is 10 raised to power 3y minus 2 equals to. Now 1 can be written as 10 raised to power 0, okay, because any number raised to power 0 is 1. So this is 10 raised to power 0. Since the bases are the same, I equate the raised to power. So I have 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Now I add 2 to both sides in order to eliminate this. Let me complete it here. 3y is equal to 0 plus 2 is 2. To find y, I divide both sides by 3. Y is equal to 2 over 3. Do you understand this? Bye.